Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best grout sealers for showers and bathrooms that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have Zippysolve's Tile Grout Repair Kit. This product stands out with its user-friendly design, featuring a specially crafted spatula with 4 corners tailored for precise grout application. The unique formula transforms from squeezable caulk to sanded grout as it dries, ensuring a professional-grade finish. Plus, it's waterproof and fast-drying, making it suitable for both wet and dry areas, perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. The build quality of this kit is reliable, with an eco-friendly, non-toxic composition that's safe for families and pets. Its versatile application spans both vertical and horizontal surfaces, making it ideal for walls and floors, and its gray color adds a modern aesthetic. The all-in-one kit includes the grout tube and spatula, simplifying the process for beginners while providing excellent results for seasoned DIYers. While Zippysolve excels in versatility and ease of use, it does lack the accessibility of gloves or additional tools, which some users might prefer for extra cleanliness. Additionally, the price isn't readily available, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, Zippysolve is ideal for those seeking a reliable, eco-friendly grout repair solution for minor touch-ups or detailed projects. Coming in at number 4 is the QEP Grout Sealer Applicator. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this product is priced at just $6.77 and offers impressive precision for sealing grout joints. The 4-ounce plastic bottle is lightweight and easy to handle, and the brush tip allows for precise application, making it perfect for small surface areas and wall installations. In terms of build quality, the plastic construction is durable enough for casual use, but it's recommended to rinse the bottle and brush after use to maintain performance. The applicator is compatible with various materials, including ceramic, porcelain, marble, and granite, adding versatility to its functionality. However, it's not water-resistant, which limits its use in wet areas, so it's best suited for dry surfaces like backsplashes or decorative tile. While the QEP Grout Sealer Applicator is affordable and easy to use, the lack of water resistance and limited capacity may not meet the needs of larger or high-moisture projects. Nevertheless, for small-scale applications and precise touch-ups, it delivers excellent value for its price, making it ideal for homeowners on a budget. At number 3, we have the StoneTech Stone Tile and Grout Sealer. This high-performance product offers professional-grade stain protection for natural stone, tile, masonry, and grout. Its water-based formula is suitable for both interior and exterior use, making it versatile enough for a variety of applications, from bathroom tiles to outdoor patios. The design and build quality of this sealer are exceptional, with a clear liquid formula that preserves the original look of your surfaces. The 1-quart bottle provides ample coverage for larger projects, and its compatibility with marble and other delicate materials ensures a safe and effective sealing process. With a high customer rating of 4.4 stars, it's clear that users appreciate its reliable performance and ease of use. However, the price is unavailable, which might deter some buyers. And its liquid form requires careful handling to avoid messes during application. Despite these minor drawbacks, StoneTech is ideal for homeowners and professionals seeking a durable, long-lasting grout sealer for high-traffic areas or intricate stonework. Number 2 on our list is the Cesta Grout Repair Kit. This innovative kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering effortless application with a precision spatula designed for versatile spreading techniques. The water-based formula starts off soft and squeezable like toothpaste and dries into sanded grout, ensuring a professional quality finish that resists stains and spots. The build quality is impressive, with an eco-friendly, non-toxic formula that's safe for families and pets. Its waterproof properties make it suitable for wet areas like showers and bathtubs, while its fast-drying nature ensures quick results without compromising durability. The white color provides a clean, refreshed look, and the spatula's unique design simplifies application on both vertical and horizontal surfaces. One downside is the lack of gloves or additional tools included in the kit, which may be a minor inconvenience for some users. Additionally, the price is unavailable, which could make it harder to budget for larger projects. Still, Cesta offers excellent value for its versatility, high performance, and beginner-friendly design, making it a top choice for homeowners looking to revamp their spaces with minimal effort. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Grout Pen White Tile Grout Paint Marker by Rainbow Chalk Markers Limited. This innovative product is perfect for those looking to refresh their grout quickly and effortlessly. The pen's advanced, non-toxic formula recolors grout for a bright, clean appearance without the need for scrubbing or bleach. It's waterproof, covers up to 150 feet of thin grout, and works great in kitchens, bathrooms, and other tiled areas. The slim 5mm tip allows for precise application, and the included extra tips ensure you can keep working even if the original tip wears down. The lightweight design makes the pen easy to handle, while the water-based formula ensures safe and hassle-free use. However, it's worth noting that it only works on unsealed grout, so you'll need to test your grout before starting your project. One downside is the need to prime the pen by pumping the tip multiple times before use, which might feel time-consuming for some. Additionally, pressing too hard can damage the cotton tip, requiring replacements. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Grout pen is a fantastic choice for quick touch-ups and small DIY projects, offering excellent value and simplicity for homeowners seeking to rejuvenate their tiled spaces. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.